Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening the edited file and immediately duplicating the background so you never work on the original. Once done, toggle adjustment layers off to reveal the base pixels and take a snapshot for fast comparisons. You should zoom to 100% and scan across faces, fabric, and highlights to note smoothing, cloned areas, or color shifts. This initial inspection tells you which tools to use next and why preserving non-destructive copies matters. You now reverse the common retouch moves. Start with the history brush when original pixels are nearby in your history or snapshot, painting back texture where smoothing occurred. If that's unavailable, use the clone stamp with a low hardness and 50-70% opacity to rebuild pores and fabric grain. Sample similar areas frequently. Once structure returns, apply a high pass layer at low radius and set it to overlay to recover mid-frequency details. Then mask precise. You finish by balancing color and contrast so the restored detail reads naturally. Use curves and selective hue/saturation with layer masks to address any color shifts introduced during repair. Then sharpen locally with Smart Sharpen at modest settings to avoid halos. Reduce radius and increase amount carefully, and always preview at 100%. If you see repeating patterns or ghosting, revert to that duplicate original, work on smaller sections, and rebuild gradually. This often fixes persistent artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.